Hello children. Today we are discuss about Unit 4 of Class 5 Saraswati English Workbook. So children, listen carefully and try to understand. Let's start this unit. Unit 4 Translate into English. English ରେ translate କରି ଲେଖ କ ବାକ୍ସଟି ଏତେ ଓଜନିଆ ଯେ ଏହାକୁ ଟେକିବା କଷ୍ଟ। ଏହାକୁ ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା ଦି ବକ୍ସ ଇଜ୍ ସୋ ହେଭି ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଲିଫ୍ଟ। ଖ ଲୋକଟି ଏତେ ଡେଙ୍ଗା ଯେ ଛାତକୁ ତାହାର ହାତ ପାଉଛି। ଦି ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ସୋ ଟାଲ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ହିଜ୍ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଟଚେସ୍ ଦ ସିଲିଂ। ଗ ରାସ୍ତାଟି ଏତେ ଦୀର୍ଘ ଯେ ଚାଲି ଚାଲି ଯିବା ଅସମ୍ଭବ। ଦି ରୋଡ୍ ଇଜ୍ ସୋ ଲଙ୍ଗ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଇମ୍ପସିବଲ୍ ଟୁ ୱାକ୍। ଘ ପିଲାଟି ଏତେ ଖାଇଲା ଯେ ସେ ଛିଡ଼ା ହୋଇପାରିଲା ନାହିଁ। ଦି ଛୁଆଟି ଏତେ ଖାଇଲା ଯେ ଛିଡ଼ା ହୋଇପାରିଲା ନାହିଁ। ଦି ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ ଏଟ୍ ସୋ ମଚ୍ that he could not stand. ଚୋରଟା ଏତେ ଜୋରରେ ଦୌଡ଼ିଲା ଯେ ପୋଲିସ ଧରି ପାରିଲା ନାହିଁ। The thief ran so fast that the police could not catch it. Translate into English. କ ସେହି କାମଟି କରିବା ଖୁବ୍ କଷ୍ଟ। That work is too difficult to do. ଖ ଏ ପିଲାଟି ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟକୁ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ଖୁବ୍ ସାନ। The child is too small to go to school. ଲୋକଟି କାମ କରିବାକୁ ଖୁବ୍ ବୟସ୍କ। The man is too old to work. ଘ ସେହି ଗଣିତଟା କଷିବା ଖୁବ୍ ସହଜ। That sum is too easy to work out. ଘ ତରକାରୀଟି ଖାଇବାକୁ ଖୁବ୍ ଗରମ। The curry is too hot to eat. She translate into English. କ ସେହି ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଇଂରାଜୀ ପଢ଼ାଇ ଜାଣନ୍ତି। The teacher knows how to teach English. ମୋତେ ଇଂରାଜୀ କହି ଆସେ ନାହିଁ। I don't know how to speak English. ଗ ଡାକ୍ତର ରୋଗୀ ସେବା କିପରି ହୁଏ ଜାଣନ୍ତି। ଡାକ୍ତର ରୋଗୀ ସେବା କିପରି ହୁଏ ଜାଣନ୍ତି। The doctor knows how to treat the patients. ମୋ ମା ଭଲ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ରାନ୍ଧି ଜାଣନ୍ତି। My mother knows how to cook well. ତୁମ ଭଉଣୀକୁ ସାଇକେଲ ଚଳାଇ ଆସେ। ତୁମ ଭଉଣୀକୁ ସାଇକେଲ ଚଳାଇ ଆସେ। Does your sister know how to ride bicycle? Be used to in the sentences. Example, the question is so hard that one cannot answer. ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ଲେଖିଲେ the question is too hard to answer. ସେହିଭଳି ଆମେ ଏହାକୁ use to ଲଗାଇ ବାକ୍ୟରେ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିବା। Question number, the room is so hot that I cannot live in. ଏହାକୁ ଆମେ to ଲଗାଇ ଲେଖିବା। ଉତ୍ତର ହେବ the room is too hot to live in. 2. He is so weak that he cannot walk. He is too weak to walk. 3. I am very upset. I cannot walk anymore. ଏହାକୁ ଉତ୍ତର ହେବ I am too upset to walk anymore. Question number 4. The bag is very heavy. The bag is very heavy. It cannot be carried. ଏହା ଉତ୍ତର ଲେଖିବା The bag is too heavy to be carried. V. The answer is very long. One cannot speak in one breath. The answer is too long to speak in one breath. E. Rewrite the sentence using so that. Example. The table is too heavy to move. The table is so heavy that one cannot move it. ଏଠାରେ ଆମେ so that ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି the road is too rough to drive along. The road is so rough that one cannot drive along. 3. The fruit is very sour. I cannot eat it. The fruit is so sour that I cannot eat it. The curry is so hot that a child cannot eat it. V. He is very angry. Nobody can face him. He is so angry that nobody can face him. So, the well is very deep. I cannot get to the bottom. The well is so deep that I cannot get to the bottom. The tree is too high to climb on. The tree is so high that one cannot climb on. F. Rewrite the sentence using how to. Example. My brother knows cooking. My brother knows cooking. ମୋ ଭାଇ ଜାଣନ୍ତି ରୋଷେଇ ରୋଷେଇ ଜାଣନ୍ତି। ଆକୁ ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା My mother knows how to cook. କିପରି ରାନ୍ଧିବା ହୁଏ ମୋ ଭାଇ ଜାଣନ୍ତି। ସେହିଭଳି She knows drawing picture. She knows how to draw picture. Question number 3. My father knows painting. My father knows how to paint. 4. Kamala knows Odissi dance. Kamala knows how to dance Odissi. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ 5 ନମ୍ବର A cobbler knows shoe making. A cobbler knows how to make shoes. Question number 6. VI. A fireman knows fire fighting. A fireman knows how to fight a fire. A potter can make pots. A potter knows how to make pots. A barber knows cutting hair. A barber knows how to cut hair. Now the unit 4 is also over. Children, practice this at home and I will see you in the next class. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.